bit. All right. We ready? Ready, dudes? And dudettes? Let me change the title card. Or not the title card, the directory here. Just chatting. We are not just chatting, we are science and technology. I'm structuring everything up here. That needs to go over there. We haven't talked about Starship in a little bit. I know everybody's probably asking a really important question. When hop? ABL? Yeah, I have ABL open. Unless you're gonna do this in a hot tub. Nah, sauna. Hang on. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. I got some food stuck in my teeth, and I need to fix that immediately. I hate it. I'll be right back 1 second before we start Space News. Alright. I got most of it. Alright, here we go. Let's do this. Okay, so welcome to Space News. Let's see. We'll start right off with the video. I'm going to start... There's not much Russian news today, so I'll just shuffle it in with the regular news. Let's see what we got. This is coming from NASA Spaceflight here. We'll start off with the videos. Photos and videos from Mary, courtesy of NASA Spaceflight. We haven't caught up with some Starship videos, so we're going to do that. It looks like they're extending the tent here. I don't see why they wouldn't, Tom. Huh. Interesting nose cone design there. No, Katra, couldn't figure out what the cutoff nose cone is for, dude. Another telescoping crane, I see. Also furred. On the far left. They're putting up insulation in the tent. You see it? They're putting up insulation. Eric, that means the air conditioning. Yeah, you probably want to do that. I've been told it gets hot in Texas before. I don't know, Tom. They gotta brush their teeth somehow. was a drone. It was spying. Maybe the cutoff nose cone is for the lunar variant with a docking adapter. Razlak, yeah, that's a possibility. It could be. I kind of have to get back into gear here. It seems like we haven't covered Starship news in a little while, which is weird. Too soon? Yeah, a little bit, Python, a little bit too soon. The cutoff nose cone has the bottom in the header tank, so no. You're a header tank. My guess is the chomper prototyping. Think about it. The cutoff nose cone. Did you just tell me to think about it? No. The cutoff nose cone has all the interior things installed and nothing on the outside that isn't needed. Yeah? Yep. You strangling a chicken? Oh yeah, airborne? It's a little ways away. Do you think at some point they'll replace the tents with buildings for production? Yeah, maybe. Look at that thing. That thing over there. You see that? There's some serious structure built into that. That's like Space Shuttle external tank stringers. That's really, really strong. Designed to take a lot of compression load. That's why those are there. So we looked at it locked. We looked at it yesterday. Interesting. Oh, the ground service equipment. Huh. Right injury? Yeah, it looks like a huge spline. How many spline is that? Maybe that's a test for trying to figure out how to do the cargo bay. With that much ribbon, goalie, I'm guessing that's a thrust section for super heavy. That's a guess though. That section has an SN5 and 6 type square access port. Dude, I haven't been here in like, we haven't covered it in like less than a week, and I don't recognize anything that's here. That's ridiculous. I don't recognize any of this. That said 16 aft on it, Katra? Oh. Why is a NASA fairing there? That's their prototype lunar lander. That's why it has NASA's logo on it, Bello. Hey, Banana Time. Maybe that's the test trying to figure out how to do the cargo bay with the cutoff nose section. Yeah, it's possible.
Discovery, go at throttle up.
Ferd. Tickled the nose. Anyway, Buffs Lot, how are you? 10-month resub. Oh, is the camera tilting or is that just me? Yeah, Zero, really cool. It's really cool. Oh, what is? Oh, okay, that's the counterweight. That guy taking it to the scrapyard? Ferd. Ferd. Dodge. Dodge. I think that guy's taking that to the scrap heap.
Big chungus.
Big chunk. Okay, forklift. Man. Nice Crown Vic right there. Yeah. Scrap, huh? Huh. Bridge crane. Gantry crane, guys. There it is. There's the boom for it and everything. There's the pulleys. Also, I want that truck. I like that truck a lot. I don't know, Contra. He was going away from the build site towards Brownsville, so that's usually where they take those things to scrap them. 180 tons, yeah. Big crane. The Locks production site is over there now. Yeah, I suppose. Could be moving them down here. Now they cut a bunch of holes in this thing. I wonder what they were doing there. Speed holes. Yeah. It'll make it go faster. Obviously. You're going to Cletus and Cars, McDuber? That's awesome, man. Yeah, I wish I could go. That'd be sick. I want to go to the one at the Freedom Factory. That's the GSC bottom one dome. Interesting. Crew Dragon is having some bad false alarms. Is it again, Lavi, or is it the same one as yesterday? Yeah. It's the same one. You gotta paint it red, it'll go faster. It adds 10 horsepower. That ring, though. Strap go burr. Roll for circumference. Yeah, right. Oh, they're installing a forward flap. Dude, look at how big it is. Man. That's what she said. You know what, Willie? That isn't what she said. Because I said it. Not a she, last time I checked. You know what? That isn't what she... What? I was just kidding. It came off too mean. Last time you checked. Excuse me. Yep. Nope. That hasn't changed, Lavi. Yep. Nope. Hasn't changed. Yeah, Clive, it's pretty nuts. Those are basically the equivalent of a Starship jack stand right there. I mean, spectacles, testicles, wallet, and watch. Yeah, Willie, yeah. Hey, I don't judge. I know me, though. I know me. No. Nope. I want that dually, even though it's a Chevy. I want it. I love the juxtaposition. You have the employees who have all the Teslas, and then you have the work trucks that are like Power Strokes and Duramaxes and stuff. literal opposite of what a Tesla does. I'm sorry, it's funny to me. 2021 has no effect on me. I'm a product of the 70s. I'm a product of the 80s, man. I'm right there with you. Chevy, some crimes can never be forgiven. Then you have the random U-Haul. You mean they work? Ooh. Let's just say they're for heavy duty. Ah, he said duty, no bow ties. Rarest, I might end up taking you up on that offer, dude. I gotta see it, dude. If we get that truck, man, we gotta fix it. We gotta fix it. Dude, 5.8, 5-speed, F-250, 96 F-250. It's been hooned on. I'm not going to lie to you. It's going to need a lot of work. But, also, if we get it, man, yo, we gotta fix it. We gotta fix it. Oh, yeah, no, not Taradra's truck. No. Shut up, Zero. That doesn't happen. Logic, we're watching Starship construction site. It's a replay video from NASA spaceflight. They're going to sleeve the dome there. I'll red shot it. I need a new project. I mean, Rarest, don't do this to me, man. I'll do it. I'll do it. If you work on it, if I buy it, you work on it, you store it, we'll flip it, and we'll split the price or something, dude. If you split the selling price, if you want, I'll buy all the parts. Or we could just have a really cool 351 5-speed 96 F-250. I mean, there's also that. 96 F-250 short bed, 5.8 with a 5-speed. That's cool, man. I want it. I really want it. Single cab short bed F-250? What? That's unheard of nowadays. Nice, Dank. There you go. 8-foot bed only? No, glide path. Well, it's a short bed. That's nothing I can do about it. Well, actually, it doesn't have any bed on it, but... this is back over at the launch site here. Those guys are smoothing out some concrete, and then they'll hit it with the smoother. They gotta evenly spread it, and then they'll smooth it over again. Get a van. You can spray a Rush album on this. No. This truck blew. I have a lead on a pretty awesome truck. What happened to the purchase of the Russian Shuttle model? Some local picked it up before I could snag it, Denny. The irony is that I might get the truck for less. Yeah, Levy, I got you. Yeah, Mike was saying that. I mean, it's a possibility, but swap the engine, static fire, and fly in the same day? I mean, that would be pretty impressive. That's a pretty impressive thing. I would love a 70s F-250, but European roads are not really suited for a monster like that. The older trucks are small, King Kitten. You'll be fine. It's no bigger than a transit van. The older... Well... Maybe not from the 70s, but... Yeah. There's the auger. The auger's drilling some stuff out there. Seeing this construction site and stuff, and seeing all this equipment that you need to, like, put a rocket launch pad together is just making me fall in love with construction equipment all over again. I used to really like it when I was a lot younger, like trains and cranes and stuff. Now I like them even more. And you know what's even better? I'm an adult, so I could go play with the real thing if I want to. That's great. But making the virtual one is still funny too. But when SN11 hop, could be Friday, could be Monday, could be Tuesday. Oh, Mind Drive, you have no idea. You have no idea about me with trains. There's a reason why I haven't cranked open, like Train Simulator or something. I could spend months building layouts and stuff. My 7-year-old's obsessed with trains. I was obsessed with trains when I was 7 too. I loved them, Zero. I love the Big Boy. The Big Boy was my favorite locomotive. I mean, dude, it's me. I always like the biggest and craziest thing. The Big Boy was my favorite growing up. All right, Pythos. I still am. Yeah, no, I hear you. Trains are cool, man. Yeah, I know, Mind Drive. I know what you mean. I don't fully understand it. It's cool, but it's not your thing. Yeah. Yeah, I don't get it either. Doesn't make a lot of sense. Yeah, Nora, right? Okay, I do have another video here. So, the next thing in space news here is that Raptor number 46, a motor that was swapped off of SN9 before it SN9'd itself, was brought out, and they swapped it on SN11. SN11 did have a static fire the other day, but they had problems with the engine again. So that picture is coming from Trevor there. They swapped it out. So like I said, it's unlikely that we'll get a flight this week. Unlikely because of this. But it's possible. Unlikely, but possible. And then there's a normal, perfectly regular human next to it. All right. The next thing is we got some stuff from RGV of the gas well site. So this is like the LOX distillery that they're working on, and then something else over here. This is probably tanked fuel propellant storage and stuff. See all the concrete slabs that they put down? What else do we got here from this? This is, once again, this is coming from RGV. A lot of tanks. They're building something out there. See the pilings for something? There are flight TFRs for the coming 3 days, but they have an agreement with the county not to test on the weekend. Also, no road closures have been posted. Yep. Yep, that's the start of a LOX plant. See? Condensers. Big condensers. Big condensers. I'm going to guess that those are probably going to find their way right there and right there. You have these if you want to keep something cool. Still can't figure out what that is up there, though. That's really weird. SpaceX also graded out the ditch in front for drainage and stuff. See the see right here, this stuff they put down. What is it called? Like it's basically, this is concave right here, and they put down a liner right there to make sure the water doesn't seep, and it actually moves the water away. That's big, and there's the entrance right there. I don't know what they're gonna do over here. Looks like nothing right now, but that's a lot of concrete in the past couple of weeks. That's crazy. What other picture do we got from RGV here? Yep, same thing. See these kind of... What are you doing, step ladders? These things are... It's bracing for the concrete forms for when they pour the concrete, so the bracing does, or so the forms don't go like this. That basically holds the bracing in a perfect square. So when they go to pour, right, you don't want the forms going like that. Also, Ferd. What's the last one? Yeah, there's the distillery right there. Or condensers over there. Look at all the pipes, dude. It looks like they're playing Stationeers. How vulnerable is Boca Chica to hurricanes? It's on the path for hurricanes. With it being in the news, I was wondering, do any rockets go through the Suez Canal? No, I don't think so. What are you doing? You're upside down. That's correct, Smug. Kathy Leaders, what's that, Thomas? Okay. W, what's your last? What is this? Cool. Oh, that's sick. I gotta check that out. What is this? It's an automaton. Now do Freebird. Stationeers added rocket resource mining. They will take off in RTLS with ice cargo or gas and scavenge debris. Cool. You're great. Thank you. I'm very pleased with what I have joined you. Freebird? Don't fear the Reaper. See, that was Sasha, and then we have Boris. He's the little one. Anyway, back to space news. Okay. So, Elon to the construction company. So, Elon, how many bulldozers do you need? How much construction equipment do you need? Yes, precisely. Let's go. All right, so the next thing is we got another video from NASA spaceflight. This is the video before that, or no, this is the video from after that. Let's see. They have two of each. Twins, Basil, twins. Yeah, JW, we covered it. It's annoying, but it happens. What's the name of this contraption? This is an automaton. All right. This is BN1 in the high bay right there. You need a Kerbal colored one? They make them in different colors. Do any Pete Sounds and Rift and then smash them to bits, please. How do you not like the automaton? It's so cute. Cute. It's just a music note. The automatons are just here to make you happy. How can you not be happy by this? This is awesome. I don't understand why they don't like you. Are you not into trains? They also make them with different looks. Yeah, I don't want that one. What's that, W? Yeah. See, that's Sully. Yeah. All right, so there's the ground service equipment piece. Whoop, truck. Okay. Okay, what else do we got here? Looks like they shuffled BN1 off to the side there. Huh. Nice, Thomas. What are these things? Dude, I don't think those are made out of stainless. That just looks like steel. Jeez. The paint is pretty. I want to smudge it.
Go at throttle up.
Tubes of steel. Steel. Dodge. What's that for? I don't know, human. I seriously have no idea. So this is what someone came up with when those were spotted. I would guess something to do with the control surfaces, guys, if I had to put it out there. Yeah, I see it, Thomas. Interesting. The big pieces almost seems like they could be part of the launch tower? Yeah, maybe. Tom, excellent camera feed. Thanks. This isn't my camera feed. This is coming from my buddies over at NASA Spaceflight. This is right off of their YouTube channel. But I do have permission to restream it over here. Or, like, rewatch it over here. So, yeah, make sure you check out NASA Spaceflight if you like what you see here. They give daily updates. It's fantastic. Like, they got people filming. So, Boca Chica gal, Mary, she's filming down there every day. Could be entropy, yeah. Hello. That's a gantry crane, baby. It was installed yesterday, but yeah. Do we know when BN1's going to be tested? Nothing on the books yet, Goblin. Right, Bees? Yeah. That thing, though. Still ridiculous. I don't think they're going to even put engines on that thing, Goblin. I think BN1 is a structural pathfinder. Figure out how to move something like that around. I'm pretty sure that's what Elon said on Twitter. It's possible, Mason, yeah. Lunch break. It's already swapped 0. Yeah, Builder, it's fine. I mean, you have an uneasy feeling about us at 11. If you do, it doesn't matter. If it blows up, it blows up. Whatever. That's right, Contra. On to the next one. Jeez. Once again, you want to understand scale. Look at the pneumatic trailer right here. That's the size of a truck trailer.
Discovery, go at throttle up.
Raven Guard, 12-month resub. Putting up more concrete forms. This is over at the launch pad. I'm just waiting for any Starship to beat Starhopper's record of 3 hops. What? Conduit boxes. Ooh. Sorry, conduit boxes or drainage. Could be either one. Funky Pixie, what's up? Starhopper did a 2-meter hop because of the, oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about the tethered hops. What is the difference between pad A and B? The letter? Fresh hops! I might need more coffee. I'm yawning up a storm over here. There's the build site over in the background there. See it? There's the high bay and the mid bay, and then that's the triangle stand. Furred. Crappy Chevy van. Furred. Tesla. Nissan. Hey! Huh. Fresh Podix. Yep, we need fresh Podix, man. Huh. Whoa, what is that? What is that? How tall will Starship and Super Heavy be? Like 400 meters. No, I'm sorry, 400 feet. Excuse me, I'm an idiot. Disregard what I said. "400 feet, 120 meters. 400 meters! Yeah. Like, it'll be as big as the container ship that got stuck. That'd be insane. Someday. Alright, what is this thing? I don't know what that's supposed to be. I don't have an answer on that one. I know that's made out of steel, guys. It isn't stainless. It's hard to paint stainless steel. It's some type of hinge schmuck, but I just can't figure out what the heck it's for. So one hop, probably next week. Gooseneck trailer. Ew. Gross. Did it say Dirty Mary on that truck? Dirty Money. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, it is a Chevy. Yeah, Penta. Yeah, that's how I know. Dirty Mary. I was gonna say, what the heck? Hey, a Fastenal truck. Cool. Buying some hardware? The Chunguska. Large Chunguska. Whoa. What? What did he say? Someone's peeping. K, someone's peeping. Chungus Grande. All non-employees stay off the property. No. Why do we hate Chevy? Because Ford is better. Because I have a Ford mug. Because if I had a Chevy mug, it would poke a hole in the bottom. It would rust out. Don't ask me how, because it's porcelain. It would rust out. There'd be a hole in the bottom, and then they'd go ask the government to fix it. Ford mug, though, never had a problem with it. Hey! If it was the Dodge one, I'd probably go to drink it and electrocute myself. It must not be a 6-liter Power Stroke mug. No, it's a 5.4 Triton mug. You're not wrong about the Dodge one. Yeah, drink it, I'll electrocute myself. Ford was not bailed out in 2009, K-Mir. Keep saying. They took a loan and they paid it back. They weren't bailed out. Nice try. Hey, Gantry Crane. If it was Dodge, you might need a new handle. Ford versus Ferrari. Who would win, actually? You saw the movie. Ford won. Savage schmuck. The Ford mug will just change from blue to dull silver. Okay, if you're gonna insult me, that's the way to do it, Thick Racer. What about a Tesla mug? Panel gap. Alright, so good updates from Starship. So Trevor Malman actually took these pictures here. Check this out. That gantry crane that we just saw getting moved up because they moved BN1 out of the way. They got it installed. Looks right to me. Oh yeah. Once again, these pictures are coming from my buddy Trevor Malman. He's a fantastic launch photographer. Overall good guy. Cool. It even has your name on it. Nice, Reagan. Alright, so I think that's everything for Starship today. What else do we got? This is an interesting one. I'm not too incredibly familiar with this. This is coming from Mike Sheets here. Yeah, I should probably hit the follow button there. Rocket builder ABL is now a space unicorn. ABL Space Systems closed a $170 million round from T. Rowe Price and Fidelity Management at a $1.3 billion evaluation as the company nears the first launch of its RS-1 rocket. Who is this? ABL is insane. They're basically Firefly scale rockets with Astra level manufacturing and infrastructure. All right. Let's see the Mike Sheets article here. Let's see what we got. They got funds from T. Rowe Price and Fidelity. If you compare us to other companies spending hundreds of millions of dollars developing launch vehicles, you should see how fundamentally differentiated our underlying approach must be to achieve that. Rocket builder ABL Space said Thursday it closed a $170 million round of funding, making it the latest private space venture to reach unicorn status. I never said that. God, I just didn't know. I didn't know about these guys. What are they up to? I really, honestly, and truly don't know anything about them. I've heard their name in passing in the past, but apparently it was enough for a $170 million evaluation. Well, it closed $170 million of funding, and they valued it at $1.3 billion, so they're clearly onto something here. We've always prided ourselves on capital efficiency. Noting the company spent well under $50 million to date. If you compare us to other companies... Alright, we already saw that part. The company previously raised $49 million in venture capital to date, with investors including Venrock, New Science Ventures, Lynette Capital, and Lockheed Martin Ventures. ABL also had announced nearly $45 million in contracts from the Air Force Research Laboratory and AFWorks. The company said Thursday it has contracts from 10 commercial and government customers. Huh. I remember you showing me this, Lavi. ABL's RS-1 rocket is 88 feet tall and it's designed to launch as much as 88 feet tall and designed to launch as much as 1350 kilograms. All right. All right. You can't give the length in feet and the payload capacity in kilograms, man. Kilofeet. Oh, it's I was like, oh, they're gonna give it in units that I understand. Never mind. The price of each launch is $12 million. That puts RS-1 in the middle of the commercial launch market between Rocket Lab's smaller Electron for $7 million and SpaceX's Falcon 9 at $62 million. It also puts ABL against several other companies developing medium lift rockets. Virgin Orbit recently reached orbit, while ABL is alongside Relativity and Firefly in aiming for their first launch this year. In addition, the economical approach of ABL's rocket development process, the company also touted the efficiency of its GSO deployable ground system. It's essentially the bare bones of a launch facility. The erector, fueling, electrical, and control center pack into a few standard shipping containers. Cool. That's cool. I like that. I don't know, Fire. Yeah. Completely modular launch facility. That's kind of cool. I'd like to do that as a project in KSP, just for the heck of it. That'd be actually cool. Set up other launch sites and just, yeah, set up other launch sites wherever we want. That'd be pretty neat. That'd be a pretty... I can't figure out a necessarily good application for that, but... Okay. You guys don't need to point me to the website. I can... Alright, it's fine. I got it, though.
On Thursday, he said the $170 million in capital will give us the opportunity to set up for scaling launch cadence to meet all the demand we are seeing in 2022 and beyond.
It's more about how bonkers their site is? Alright, what's up? What the hell? What? Here, we'll refresh here. Yeah, see. Scalable demand. That's smart. That's a very smart idea. Scalable demand is what you need because the launch market demand fluctuates very rapidly. It goes up and it goes down and it goes up and it goes down. So having systems that you can quick deploy, and so like if you need to launch 2 or 3 times, you just deploy 2 or 3 launch pads and go, right? Global distribution, as long as it's not through the Suez Canal. Haha, topical jokes. That's very satisfying. Dude, that's cool. That's pretty neat. They fit in TEUs. That's cool. National security applications, rapid site activation, permanent installments, investors, maybe you. Prestige worldwide. Yeah, AC gets it. Shut up and take my money. Scroll down. The rocket tab is awesome. Okay. Yeah, I like what I see here. Even rockets can be simple. The scroll wheel. Look at the scroll wheel, right? $13.50 kilogram. The price point at 12 million. Kilogram price to kilogram per for a 200 kilometer low Earth orbit is 8,000. Price per kilogram to a 500 kilometer sun synchronous is 12. That's okay. It's pretty good. Pretty competitive. Deployable. Commercial. View map. Hey. So 4 major space centers, and then there's the launch site in Georgia, Camden County. Interesting. Proven systems. E2 engines leveraging modern manufacturing, additively manufactured 13 pounds or 13,000 pounds of force engines produced in-house, optimized for rapid assembly and scalability. See the architecture. What is it with people in 9 engines? Just kidding. Huh. Okay. Huh. What's with the weird nozzle? It's 3D printed. It's a 3D printed engine. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's take a look over here. Loss. TIG welding. Oh, very nice. That's a freaking roller right there. There's one of the sheets of aluminum. Ah, yes, the Russian CNC machines. Very nice. They tested Edwards Air Force Base near the F1 test site. Yeah, I was gonna say, where the heck is their test stand? That's cool. Quick to Earth, real fast. Lots of Rasputin in that shop. Where's that going on, Thomas? Is it going on in Boron? Buran. Yes. He's nice. What's this over here? Oh, never mind. Found it. Maybe not. In these hills? These look like test stands to me. That one, not so much. That one, also not so much. Yep, those are definitely test stands. Old, abandoned test stands. They haven't been used in a while. You can tell because plants are growing where the rocket engine should go. Huh. 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 Old runway, maybe? Huh. 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 What's that, Geeson? What? What is this? What is this? What? What the? That can't be real. What? That can't be real. Oh my god, that's so funny. So stupid. You haven't seen that yet? I guess not. Jeez. How is that even a thing? Literally memeing on the global supply chain. How does that even happen? Oh, wait, what's over here? We find it? There's another test stand right there. That looks like the J2 test stand. Huh. 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 Huh? Yeah, there's definitely a bunch of test stands out here. Let's see. Does the Google Earth community have anything to say about it? Nope. That's rich. $1.5 billion goes down the canal every day. Oh yeah, yeah, we're gonna be feeling the repercussions of that. Okay. Cool. All right. Well, that's a thing. Clearly there's a sound business plan here because they threw 170 million at it and valued them at 1.3 billion. So $1.3 billion valuation is quite high for a company that just supposedly does small sats right now. So if you think about it, right, there's no way a company like that's valued at like 1.3 billion just from like the rockets and the hardware that they have. There must be a business plan and there must be some kind of sound strategy there to value the company so high. A company's evaluation also has to do with its intellectual property. So like the way that they're going about building rockets is clearly something that people see funding, clearly something that people see potential on potential for a return on investment in, which is good. Like GameStop. No, not. No, not like them at all. God damn it. No, it's not like that at all. GME's at 183? No way. It's still. Oh my goodness. It's just staying up there, man. How is that even a thing? How does this even happen? It's I love it. I love it. That's so funny. Hodl the line. Well, when people hold the line, yep. Stoinks. All right, cool. Interesting stuff about ABL. So, let's go over here. Let's see. Interesting. The new shuttle that we heard about coming out of Russia is going to be unmanned. Interesting. ABL will be launching from the UK together with Lockmart. Cool. Did I get that right? Let's see. Oh! Uh-oh. I'm getting better at this. I'm getting better at this. The new space shuttle being developed in Russia will correspond in size to the American X-37B spacecraft. Its purpose is unmanned transportation of goods. Okay. Into orbit and return to Earth, a source in the rocket and space industry told RIA Novosti. Mini Buran is the Buranet. Interesting. The device being developed by NGO Molina is an unmanned civilian analog of the X-37B. I'm pretty sure the Ministry of Defense is investing in that project. Just not to be that much of a dick. Can you link this? Yeah, sure. Happy learned how to putt. Uh-oh. Yeah, right. As the source explained, this is an initiative development of NGO Molina, the creator of the legendary Buran, intended for the commercial market. Huh? The spacecraft should be launched into orbit by a Soyuz-type launch vehicle. I'm even more confused. It became known on Wednesday that Molina is creating a new civilian space shuttle. According to their forecast, the plane will go into space in the next 5 years. The first Soviet space shuttle was Buran, and it was created for a wide range of tasks and transportation along Earth, so intended for launching stuff into low Earth orbit, just like our space shuttle. So it's more dream chaser-ski, yeah. The secret X-37, developed by Boeing, has been successfully operating in the United States since 2010. During this time, the ship has visited space 6 times, where it performs experiments in the interest of the U.S. Air Force. Their details are classified. Yes. In September of 2020, China tested its mini shuttle from the Jiquan Cosmodrome on September 4th. An apparatus for testing reusable technologies was launched into orbit using the Changzheng 2F launch vehicle. Interesting. Interesting. I think it could be the Soyuz 5 from Baikonur, then it's totally not military. But why was it showed off at an Army 2020 forum then, Kem? The Ministry of Defense is involved somehow, dude. Come on. Why would they show it off at Army 2020 and classify it? What is Soyuz 5 and how is it different?
Discovery, go at throttle.
It uses an RD-180 in the first stage, if I'm remembering right, Smuck. It's like if you took the bottom of Antares and put a Soyuz third stage on it. Or yeah, the RD 171, not the RD 180. Excuse me. Ismail, 29-month resub. Thank you. They could be interested with to use a similar model for their own purposes, but then again, they do everything already with Soyuz from Plesetsk. Nuclear tug was also shown there, but it is military. Ministry of Defense is a good sponsor, though. Interesting. I mean, Kim, just on a side note, it's important to know that there have been commercial partners on the X-37. They tested a Hall effect thruster for someone a little while ago, like an ion thruster, so... Yeah, it's a single stick variant. No cross, not Soyuz. Yeah, that's what a lot of people are saying. These hinges are by the white hex structure. Interesting. Alright, let's see what we got. Next news is coming from Rocket Lab here. Proud to share that we've inked a deal with Black Sky to launch 9 of their small sats across 5 Electron missions in 2021. Most spacecraft Black Sky has ever committed to a single launcher. Alright. Good job. Rocket Lab's scooping up some deals. Could they be some kind of launch clamps? Maybe. Hey, Spoon, what's going on? Alright, next bit of news over here is coming back over from NASA Spaceflight's Fleet Cam. As I suspected, the remaining 2 arms were removed from Mystery overnight. The sisters are now docked side by side where they will continue to restore them to pre-contract configuration. Yep. I think they're getting rid of Mystery and Mischief. Car shopping, I may have found a rather nice deal. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. I cry every Tim. Why? That means we get more happy 170 DP1 noises. I mean, Thomas, it's pretty obvious that they figured out that they could just waterize the fairings. The fairings just land them in the water. Seriously. Just land them in the water and fish them out. It's easier that way. Don't cry because it's gone. Cry because it didn't work that well. Oh, jeez. But Goose Offshore has no 170s like the Dragon Sisters. They're going to use Go Searcher and Go Navigator, dude. Or they have something else cooking up in the books. Something else that doesn't require such a big ship, because those Mystery and Mischief are bigger. They're bigger ships. That's correct, Smuck, yep. But Dragon missions will impact that. Maybe it goes there. Yeah. Yeah, maybe. Interesting. All right. This is a link to the lines drawn by the cargo ship. It's so screwed up, Dragon. Oh my god. Who the hell is driving that ship? Who's driving it? I want to know this person's name. Hey, Space Dive, what's going on? They drew it. Oh my god. So stupid. It was shoved off course by the wind. It totally freaking did. It totally did.
Look at me, I'm the captain now. I can't believe that.
And then he got wedged in the Suez Canal. That can't be a coincidence, man. That can't be a coincidence. That's ridiculous. Oh my god. We have a joke here that he was navigating using GLONASS. Oh. That can't be a coincidence. How is that? How does this even happen? Oh my god. I don't even know. The guy draws a dick and then he goes up the canal and gets stuck. You can't make that up. Oh my god. It's so stupid. Oh my god. Yep. Help me, Steph Tugboat. It's so stupid. Oh my god. Graph Shark, I didn't know this until today. I know the container ship that got stuck in the Suez Canal. Dude, look at you can this was the navigation path before it sailed into the Suez Canal. This is the path. That Oh my god. It got stuck. It got stuck. Oh my god. I couldn't. Oh my god, my face hurts. Oh my lord. I read somewhere that Evergreen's made by Ferrari. Savage. I've read lately shipping has been backed up everywhere, and a lot of container ships are stuck outside ports wandering like this. We should probably check out some other random ship routes. I bet there are a lot of dicks being drawn out there. Oh my god. The fact that it did it and then it got stuck, though, that's hilarious. Oh my god. You can't make that up. Oh my god. Help me, Step Tugboat. I'm gonna freaking cry. That's so funny, dude. Oh my god. Do I see a butt as well? I mean, when this was gonna got stuck. Oh my god. Vin, what's up, dude? Oh, jeez. Oh my god. It's a human practice that went on for thousands of years. What are you doing, Step Tugboat? I'm stuck. Oh my god. It's not hilarious. It's probably a Rule 8 stunt to pump up oil price. What? I don't care. It's still funny, man. Just pour some X-Lax in the Suez Canal. Oh my god. I can't do that anymore. No, oh my god. Yeah, look, I'm laughing. It's serious, and it sucks, but god damn it.
I just imagine the captain. Hey guys, look, I drew a dick in the water. All right, time to go through the Suez Canal. Watch this. Oh, I got stuck. Oh, it crashes the freaking thing. Hold my beer while I navigate the Suez Canal. Oh my God. How's Luna 1 compared to this? I fixed that problem within a couple of days. This problem's gonna take a little bit. Did you see the sizzle reel they released? What? The Suez Canal Authority released a sizzle reel? What? What is this? No music. That's a big ship, man. Holy crap. Oh God, this captain is in so much trouble. I will never financially recover from this. Their shipment of failure has been delivered. I hope this isn't... I'm a nav officer. There's no way this hell was caused by wind. I was reading what somebody says, Foxtrot. You don't blow a 400-meter container ship off course. That would need to be one hell of a wind. It's absolutely human error. Yeah, I don't think people realize how big that ship is. The ever given is. That's a big freaking container ship, man. I don't understand. All right, seriously, look at this picture. This picture of the dudes walking next to it. Those are shipping containers all the way up there. Just look at the tug right there. You know, that's a tugboat, right? You could kind of see people on it, right? Or, like, you could kind of see the boathouse and how big that is. Look at this. Just kind of, like, sit back and look at the picture. Just kind of, like, don't focus on any particular thing. Just kind of use your peripheral to look at it. And that should tell you how big that damn thing is. Yeah, these are TEUs up here. You can call them a TEU, you can call them a shipping container, you can call them shipping crate or a connex or whatever. The technical definition is a TEU. TEU is 10-foot something units. Somebody, no, give me the name. Yeah, 20 equivalent units. That's it. Yeah, so they're 20-foot long containers, but it's funny because no containers are 20 feet long anymore. I mean, that is a monster of a freaking ship. Yeah, it's... Joe, it's insane, dude. Yeah, the sci-fi, they don't use 20... They don't use 20-foot containers anymore. Nobody uses those. It's actually funny, Lavi, the ABL, those containers on the ABL were TEUs. Those were actually 10, 20-foot containers. How did it not tip over? That looks super top-heavy. How do the container ships not tip? Oh, dude, they have containers. Container ships are ridiculous. All right. Okay. Unsung hero, and we have 15 minutes, so here. Container ships are nuts. So, not all the containers are riding on the top. Grab Shark. Here, look. I'll show you. Check it out. The containers go all the way down to the keel of the ship. That's how it doesn't tip.
It's a 20,124 TEU ship. 20,000 TEU. That's insane. That is insane. Guys, Starship, if you put Starship in Super Heavy on its side, so stack them on its side and have the cruise ship next to it, it is a quarter of the length of this thing. That's Starship and Super Heavy on top of each other. That's how big this thing is. They're going for it. What the hell? Oh, I'll share that in a moment. It's so big it can't flush with... yeah, Kurings. Yeah, here. GrabShark, check this out. That is ridiculous. So what you see on the top right there is just maybe like a third of the containers that these things can carry. Maybe. Container ships are insane. They're insane. So they have the engine room and all the maintenance stuff here, and then all the crew stuff and galley and everything is right there, and then there's lifeboats up here and stuff, and then there's the bridge. And then up in the forecastle up there, I don't know what they put up there. They might put ballast or something. It's crazy. Absolutely insane. Like, it's all right. I can't believe it's just, these things are freaking massive. And this one is 400 meters long. Like, the crazy thing about this, guys, like, okay, so just shameless shout out for global shipping, right? It's one of those things that I kind of like. Of course I would like that. It's just, yeah, okay, what don't you like, you bum? Yeah, like, I get it. Though, we have, like, so there's, like, a supply chain. It's not like one ship goes back and forth, right? There's, like, one ship goes, and then the next ship's right after it, and the next ship's like, it's like a conveyor belt of container ships, right? This is a break in the container, in the conveyor belt. It's not good. But the whole global shipping industry is insane. It's ridiculous. Thought you like things that go fast. Well, these things don't go fast, but they're gigantic. The speed that they do go for how big it is pretty fast. The crazy thing to me is that there's only 25 guys working on that thing. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's ridiculous, Max. It's ridiculous. I mean, these things are gigantic. Never mind an aircraft carrier. They're bigger than aircraft carriers, man. Like, you know that, but they're freaking bigger. They're way bigger. Well, maybe not. Maybe it's about the same size as a Nimitz, but either way, it's still crazy. Crazy how big they are. See, that's how I envision, like, space travel is going to work in the future. If you really want to know. We're not going to... Transfer windows, we're not going to be able to wait for, like, transfer windows and stuff in the future if we really want a good supply chain between us and Mars. We're going to need ships that are going to have crazy amounts of delta V, right? But very, very low TWR, and to be able to basically transit to Mars at any given notice, right? So, I mean, AC, yeah, kind of like a cycler orbit almost, but you'd have to basically be able to launch any time. Brachistochrone is our future. Let me read. Somebody talked, so I didn't. Let me see. Yep. Yeah, see? Yeah, exactly. This, exactly that. Yep. So, yeah, we're basically gonna have to have a supply chain like this. Yeah. We're gonna have to do it. So, like, I envision like space container ships in the future, right? Space container ships aren't gonna have like a chemical rocket engine on it. They'll have ion thrusters and a nuclear reactor, right? And the container ships will probably take, I mean, if 3 months is a quick Mars transfer window, these things will probably take a year to get there or something. But they'll be carrying like 1 million tons of of cargo. It's just the ion engine continuously firing. You know, like I think we'd have to do something like that in the future. Like we need a supply chain between Earth and Mars, which is still crazy, dude. Basically, I want that container ship in space with a nuclear reactor in it and some ion propulsion. Hopefully the canal won't be closed for 8 years like the 6-Day War. I mean, yeah. Yeah, no, only on this stream. I can't believe it. Oh, you brought it back up again, man. I can't believe that. I cannot believe I drew a dick and then he got his cruise ship stuck in this canal. What a tool. What a freaking tool. Like, what are the odds of that happening? What are the odds of that? Like, come on! Really? I'm sorry. That is the funniest thing I've ever seen. Oh my god. Oh man, that's funny. 20 Wumbo continues. What a tool? What a tool. Come on, man. That's ridiculous. Guy draws a dick and then gets his cruise ship. Dude, it's literally the kid from high school, right? Grab Shark, you remember, this is something from us, like, you from our time, you remember, like, you remember when everybody liked skateboarding? Everybody liked skateboarding, right? And then there was always this thing to see who was the best, like, oh, look at me, I'm the coolest guy, I don't care about nothing, right? Like, the guy that was piloting this cruise ship is that guy, and then they're like, hey, I dare you to drop it on the half pipe, and he drops it on the half pipe and, like, breaks his wrist or leg or something. It's just like, wow, you're an idiot. Wait a minute, I broke my wrist dropping into a half pipe at Skaters. Oh, damn, that was me. Takes one to know one, cruise ship man. Do you think they learned they could do this from SN10? Yeah, maybe, Thomas. You played yourself. Yeah, right. Does that make you a tool? Oh, Panta, look at me. Still not as bad as the Costa Concordia captain? Oof. Too soon. Not really. Still funny. You are the epitome of class and sophistication. What? Sasha says thank you. No, he didn't call you a stupid giraffe, did you? Did you call him a stupid giraffe? He said no. Say that to your face. He just said you're a stupid giraffe and people say bad things about you. Yeah. That was the second thing that he said. No! I haven't seen Under the Hat for a long time. So you both don't. Do I have a mullet? Yes. With the hat on, I do. But also no.
No, I got the kind of. Oh, that's bad. That's horrible. Let's just put the hat back on, shall we? Let's just put that back on. Yeah, that's not good. Let's just put that back on, and we'll just leave that. We'll just leave that back on there. Yeah. Trevor Phillips Industries. Spray paint my head? No, I'm good. Oh, is it really that bad? Can't be. Is it really that bad? Yes, it is. No, that's not as bad. That's okay. But still not ideal up here. Definitely thinning. Yep, definitely thinning. Yeah, that's no good. Yeah, that's not ideal. But see, the funny thing is that I'm super tall, so nobody can see that anyway. So it's all right. You dirty hippie. Yeah, I know. Kind of liking the mop though. It's a little different. Just do a comb over. There's nothing to comb over. That's the thing. You look like a rock star. Thank you. You're 5'15". Okay. It's all gonna go anyway when SN11 lands. With the hat though, we're good. Better than the hat? What? Just commit. It's going bald. No, man, because it's not going bald in some other areas, dude. See? Look at that. Look, see, isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Look. Looks like I actually got hair for a change. How tall is you? 6'4". It'll buff out. Why do we have to go through this every day? What? What are you talking about, Ravengard? It's a joke. It's supposed to make you laugh. Like, haha, but... How's the truck fixing going? Fine. We're gonna start the truck stream soon, but... I don't know, maybe doing it every day isn't something you guys want to see. Maybe I shouldn't. I just work on it off the stream. I hope you get rid of that mistake soon, though. Nah. Hey, Olivier, what's going on? But it's real life mechanic simulator? Yeah. Thanks, Kenneth. I appreciate it.
All right. Okay. What are we doing today? Launching. Preparing for another lunar mission. Mission mode part 113. Boop. Job of a helmsman is pretty dang easy. All you guys could do it. They just take instructions from the officer on watch steering. Interesting. Midnight Saturday, concrete. Bring your camera to the garage. I already have cameras in the garage, Janet. I have a whole streaming setup there. It's a garage that's not here. It's at my folks' house. Ready for the Friday yeeting of the rocket. Yeah. Alright, one last bit of space news before we fire up KSP here.